Hello friends, welcome to our channel PR Learning Lab. This video is going to be a Microsoft Word tutorial for beginners in which we'll be learning about inserting text boxes, formatting text, text wrapping, linking text boxes, text boundaries, line and paragraph spacing, lists and clearing all formatting. First of all, I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. In this whole video, I am using Microsoft 365 apps. So now we learn how to insert a text box. A text box lets you type text anywhere in your file. In order to choose a text box, under Insert, select Text Box, and you can observe that there are various built-in text boxes available for us. You can also download different types of text boxes from office.com, or if you want to draw your own text box, choose Draw Text Box and then draw it in your document. Now we'll see how to apply various font styles to our text in Microsoft Word. Now let us consider this as my sample text where I am going to show you how various font styles are applied to this. Select the text, and for formatting text in Word, all you go through is this font box, and for changing different font styles, scroll down this drop down list and you can see that there are various font styles which are available. And whenever you go through various font styles, you can see that there has been a change in my text. Now we'll see about the various font styles that are available for us in Microsoft Word for formatting the text. They are the bold, the italic and the underline. For using bold, we can also use the shortcut Ctrl+B. For italic, we can use Ctrl+I, and for underline, we can use Ctrl+U. Now consider this as my sample text on which I am going to apply the various font styles. I am selecting this text, and you can use the font styles either from this bar or from the font bar. Now firstly, I am applying the bold style. You can see that the text has been changed into bold, and now I am applying the italic style. You can see the change in the text, and now I am applying the underlining font style. You can see that the text has been underlined. Not a simple underlining font style, we can also select various underlining styles for the text. When you select the drop down list here, you can observe that there are various underlining options which are made available to us. You can also select the underline color according to your requirement. Now we learn about formatting the text using font size. Now I am selecting my sample text, and you can see this drop down list of font size, that there are various font sizes which are available for us, and you can also increase or decrease your font size by using this increase font size symbol and decrease font size symbol, for which the shortcuts are Ctrl+Shift+ greater than and Ctrl+Shift+ less than to decrease. Now we learn how to apply various font colors to our text in Microsoft Word. Firstly, I am selecting my sample text, and you can see this font color option, and when you select this drop down list, you can see that there are various colors which are available for us, and you can select any font color which is convenient to you. The next step of formatting text in Microsoft Word is knowing about changing case of the text. Now here I am selecting my text, and you can see this change case option in the font bar, and when you select this, there are 5 different options available for us. The sentence case remains the text as it is, and the lowercase makes each and every letter of the text into lowercase. The uppercase capitalizes every letter of the text. The capitalize each word capitalizes the first letter of every word in a text, and the toggle case lowers the first letter of every word in a text and the remaining letters will be capitalized. The final step of formatting text in Microsoft Word is applying text highlights. Select the sample text and you can see this text highlight color option, and when you select this you can see that there are various colors available for us. In order to highlight our text, we can select any color which is convenient to you. Now that we have learned how to insert a text box, now we learn how to apply wrapping text styles in our document. In order to do so, first of all, I am inserting a text box in my document. Select any text box as of now, and you can see that the text box has been inserted. And now under the text box icon, you can see this wrap text option. You can choose any wrapping text style which is convenient to you, and you can also observe the changes when I am going through various styles. You can select any style which is convenient to you. The other type of text wrapping is available in the page breaks, and you can watch it in our previous video about page breaks and section breaks. Now we learn about various text wrapping styles which are available for us. Firstly, I am inserting a shape into my document. Now I am going to fill this with some image. In the format picture, you can see that there are various fill options available for the shape. Select any image to fill the shape. Now you can see that the image has been printed in the shape from. We can also edit the image with some wrap points. That is, you can edit it from the text using wrap points. Now I'm going to apply various wrap styles for this. When I'm going through various styles, you can observe that my document has been changing its pattern. Select any wrap style which is convenient for you. Apart from the previously mentioned wrapping styles, there are many other options provided by Microsoft Word. We'll have a look at them now. You can fix this image with the text by selecting Fix Position on Page, and then when you move the text, the image remains fixed at some point. You can also move the image along with the text. We'll say about it now. We can select Move with Text, and when we move the text, we can also see that the image is moving along with the text. You can see that the selected wrap styles will be displayed even when we move the image anywhere. When we select more layout options, we can select left only. You can see that the text is displayed only to the left. And when you select right only, the text will be displayed only to the right of the image. And when we select the largest only, you can see that the largest side, the text will be printed. That is, when there is more free side to the left, the text will be printed to the left, etc. And you can also change the settings, that is the distance from the text. Whenever you want to increase the distance between the image and the text, you can change the settings over here, either from the top, bottom, left and right, according to your convenience. Now we'll do linking text boxes. Click on the first text box, select text box, and you can see here this create link option. You can also observe that the cursor has been changed into this link symbol. Click it in the new text box. You can also observe that the create link option has been changed into break link, which indicates that the link has been created. Now we'll check if it's working or not. I'm typing some information in this. Text boundaries. Text boundaries are useful in drawing the margins around your body text, around your title, around your header, footer, footnotes, etc. If you work in print layout view, you may find this text boundaries very helpful. And in order to use text boundaries in your document, under File, select Options, go on Advanced, and scroll down the bar until you see Show Document Content. Now under this Show Document Content, select Show Text Boundaries and click on OK. Now you can see that there are dotted lines around my body text, around my title, and also around my headers. Now let us learn about line and paragraph spacing. In order to adjust the spacing between the lines and the paragraphs, select this line and spacing option, which is available in the paragraph bar, and you can see that my spacing has been changing when I go through various amounts of sizes. And you can also select line spacing between the text in your document. All you have to do is select the line spacing options and change your settings over here. Indentation is the space given before a line in your document, and you can notice the changes in this preview bar when I am changing the settings over here. And the line spacing also has various options like 1.5 lines, double, at least. Line spacing options gives us more precise control over our document. We can change the line spacing mode and the amount. When you select multiple, you can change the number of line spacing you want. By default, it is 1.08, and you can set it according to your requirement. And if you want more precise control, then you can select which is corresponding according to your font size, and you can also select the amount here. Now you can see that my document has made its changing. You can also change the paragraph spacing. By default, the Word adds paragraph spacing to our document. We can select the settings by selecting the line and paragraph spacing. And you can see here remove space after paragraph, remove space before paragraph options, and you can change your settings over here. You can also change the line space settings, which is by selecting line spacing options and changing the amounts here before and after. When we change the values of spacing after and spacing before, we see the difference in spacing between the paragraphs. If you want to organize the text of your document in a structured manner, then we can use lists. There are three different types of lists which are made available in Microsoft Word. I am selecting my text here, and when I am going through this bullet list, you can use any symbol which is convenient for you. And if we go through the numbered list, you can represent the data in a numbered pattern. You can see that my text has been changing when I go through various numbered list pattern. You can also create a sublist under a list. Now for example, I want to create a sublist under soft drinks. So press enter and then select the multi-level list and then press tab. You can see that a sublist has been created under soft drinks. This way you can use lists to organize the text of your document. Earlier in this video, we have learnt about formatting the text in Microsoft Word. Now in this document, I have applied various formatting techniques to my document, and now I want to remove all the formatting styles which I have applied to this, and I want to regain the original document. In order to do so, all we have to do is clear the formatting, which can be done under the font bar. When you select this clear formatting, you regain your original document. Now that's all my friends about working with text in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel PR Learning Lab.